to the Queen's Court. Happy Sunday, everybody. I'm so thankful and I'm grateful and I'm blessed to be alive. All right, so today I have a Dollar Tree haul and I have Dollar Deal and Dollar Value Dollar, okay? All right, so hope everyone's doing well. All right, so at Dollar Tree, I got these beautiful plates. These are so beautiful. I absolutely love them. I think I'm gonna go back and get the bowls, but these are so pretty with the snowflakes on them. When I seen them, I'm like, the camera really doesn't do it any justice. I mean, this just looks so beautiful. Look for this on the tablescape near you very soon. Okay, I absolutely love these, and I got 4 of them. Okay. How's everybody's Sunday going, or their day going whenever you see this? Hope everything is well. I'm going to sit these up here. I don't want to sit them on the floor. Okay, y'all, this is a lot of stuff. It's a lot of bags, but I'm not sure, how long this is going to take. All right, so I also got these right here, beautiful berries. These champagne gold berries. I love these. These are so pretty. Okay, I got 2 of those. I got 2 of these. These are called eucalyptus. Okay, these are in silver. Can bend these out. Okay. And these are so pretty. I got 2 of these in the silver. And I got 2 in the gold. Okay, this is so pretty. 2 in the gold. I love these. These are really pretty. Okay, and I also got some more too, y'all. Some like with the green, this stuff. Oh my goodness. Woohoo! This stuff is glitter. I'm gonna have glitter all over the place. All over the place. I got these ferns. I got 2 in this color, and I have 2. I did a lantern. I have 2 of them, and these are so pretty. I'm thinking now that I've opened these up that I could have got 2 more, and this could have been like a centerpiece, by itself. I'm hoping I can find 2 more of these. This is pretty. I like that. Okay, so let me put this back in the bag. I gotta spray those because they are really full of glitter. Oh, y'all know how we is with that glitter. And I also got this here. I'm gonna do a DIY. One of my family members requested that it's got glitter all on it. But I got this here. I'm gonna do like the gift box that you put under your tree or wherever you want to put it at. Okay, I got 2 of these. 2 of these bulbs where you can DIY. So look forward to a lot of DIYs coming, y'all. A lot of DIYs for Christmas. And I also got these ornaments. These are going to be used as feet on the bottom of like mirrored trays and stuff like that there. I have a couple of gold project mirrors that are coming up, DIYs. So I got these right here. They always carry these at the Dollar Tree during the holidays. Okay. So I got one of those. also got these right here boxes. I'm doing a DIY. Okay, and I needed these here gift box ornaments. Okay, it's got the blue, the red, silver, and gold. Okay, I got one of those. I also got these right here. It's the cookie cutters. I have it has the candy cane. It has a snowman in here. It has a bell. But I wanted it for the gingerbread. It's got a boot, Santa's boot. No, that's a what you call them? I can't remember. The stockings. Yeah. It got a star in here, and it's got the gingerbread. And that's what I wanted. Cause I'm gonna do a DIY on that with this. Okay. And I also got the foam sheets of the gingerbread. I'm gonna be doing a DIY on this here. Okay. And I also got these ornament fillers. These are like little glass beads, y'all. So if you're looking for some of these, our Dollar Tree had them. When I seen them, I was like, oh my God, they had it in blue as well. Those are the two colors that I seen. This here clear, and it's 3 ounces, and $1. You find these in Michael's, you're gonna pay much more. Okay. Also got me some Vase Fillers. I'm not sure if I showed y'all this or not. This might have been in another, I'm not sure if I did or not, but I got these here. I love those. And I also got these here, y'all. These are super cute. Super cute. These are like ornaments, snowballs with the glitter in them. Absolutely beautiful. I got 1, 2, the other one fell off in the bag. 3, 4. I got 4 of them. So look at that. Isn't that cute? Clustered up together like that. So cute. Okay. And I got these right here. I thought these were great. Not sure if I showed y'all these in a Dollar Tree haul. I'm not sure. But these are nice vase fillers. I'm looking for some more. I think I got some more. But yeah, these are so cute. Okay. And I got this here. Oh, sorry, y'all. This here, I want to get like 2 more of these. Okay. So, yeah. The rectangle. Now this is the octagon. Rectangle. All right, y'all. I got some paint. This metallic paint. It was in this bag, so I got this from Michael's. Yeah, I got this. No, I got this one from. Oh, I think I got this from Walmart. Yeah, this one came from Walmart. I love that brown. This is antique copper. These are so pretty. It's that it'll give you that metallic look. Got a DIY coming up with that. And I also got some of these. I got this particular style. Okay. Little vase. And I got 2 of those. And I got 2 of these. This style right here. Okay. Got 2 of those. Sorry for bending over. I got 2 of those. And Dollar Tree, I got, I don't know if I showed y'all this or not. I'm sorry. I got this here. This here is the vinyl paper. for your Cricut or whatever you want to use it for. Okay. Okay, this is nice. Okay. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm all over the place, but we had our floors done, and everything is in here in this room, and it's like I got these right. It's really we got the house back together, but I still have stuff I need to take downstairs. Here we have these right here. These came from Michael's. Oh, is it Joann's? Michael's. This is Michael's. No, this is at home. I'm sorry. This is at home. I got these at home when I went to at home. These are like the iridescent little, look like ice cubes when you open them, but I'm gonna use them on a project, and you'll probably see them in tablescapes or what have you. But these are so pretty. It's that iridescent, their iridescent color. It's really pretty. Yep. So I got a whole box of them, and yeah, really pretty. I like that. Those are really pretty. Okay. And getting down to the wire. I got these right here. I thought these were really nice. I got it. This here rose gold. I got the white, and it's glittered. And I got the champagne gold. Okay, you get 15 pieces in here, which I think is really great. Get 15 pieces, okay, which is really good. 15 pieces, and look for DIY because it's coming. Oh, okay, and I also got 4 of these. Okay, I got 4 of these. I'm going to do a DIY one of these. Got 4 of them. I don't want them to get scratched up, but anyway, I got 4 of these. Okay, I got them in the green, and I'm going to be painting these and making something beautiful with them. Okay. All right, and I also got from Dollar Deal. No, this was Value Dollar. I got these. This right here is so pretty. It looks like it's glass mirrored, but it's not. It's just like a gem. But they're so pretty. Alright, it's Gemstone Embellishments. And that was 1 sheet for $1.19. I also got these right here. Beautiful cutlery. Flatware, whatever you want to call it. They are beautiful. I absolutely love them. Look at that, y'all. Look at all that right there. I love it. And I love the fact that it comes down to it like a tail light or wing light. Beautiful. Look at that. And it also has the dessert spoon, the regular spoon, the knives, and the fork. And it's a 20-piece set, which I only really need 4. But, you know, I guess they give you an extra one. You know, for your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. Yeah. But I thought that was really cute. And I love the little spoon. Because I can also use these on my coffee bar. So cute. Look at that. So adorable. So adorable. But yeah, I got that. That was $2.49. Okay, $2.49 for those. And this is a collective haul, y'all. I didn't get all this at one time. I got these hair beads for $1.49 at Value Dollar. And I also got these right here at Value Dollar. I always get these, but I'm not going to get these at Value Dollar no more. I'm just realizing I spent $1.29 on these when I can get it at Dollar Deal for $1.09, something like that. Yeah, but I got 3 of these. My mixed glitter that I mixed up. Okay. And at Michael's, I also got my glitter. Oh my God, I've been trying to get my hands on this, and every time I go in Michael's, I forget. But I love this glass glitter. It's that champagne gold, and I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. Look at that. That is absolutely, look at that ball, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. I love it. Yes. And I do believe that concludes my haul. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my faithful returning family members. I appreciate y'all so much. And welcome to all my new family members. Thank you so much for hitting over 2,000 subscribers, y'all. I will be doing a giveaway. Like I promised, when I got to 2,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway, and that will be coming soon. And I will be giving you the information and the details on the giveaway. I just want to be a blessing to, you know, those ones that has really been, you know, all y'all have been so wonderful. Just coming on to my channel, that's a blessing in itself. I thank y'all for that. Thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you for coming in and liking what I put on my channel. Okay, so to all the queens, and we also had kings, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen Squad. I love to have you. Also click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you in the next video. Love you all. Bye-bye. Have a blessed day. A blessed week.